They told me that, for example, that a guy in Turkey, Izmir, he told me that Chinese government, Chinese security guys forced him to work for him. Otherwise, they will put his mother and the father in the jail. And they video call him and just with his parents and ask him, could you work for us? Do you work for us? If you work for us, you can live your life in Turkey freely. If you don't, we put your, look, this is your parents. We put your parents in the jail. And they asked them, and if you love your parents, it means that you are patriot. If you don't love your parents, it means you are not patriot. It means they have rights to put your parents in detention center because you don't love your parents. Even you don't love your parents, even you don't protect your parents, how can we trust you? How can we trust you as our citizen? Those guys who tortured me in the cell, they work for those interrogators 24 hours. And like they insulted me, my dignity, my sex. It's very horrible thing. As a man, I humiliated like this. It's very sad. Like I can bear. I can forgive those things that during interrogation. It's okay. But the problem is I experienced for 24 hours humiliation in that cell. It's unacceptable.
Could you describe the specific types of physical abuse you were subject to?
During the interrogation, they beat me, but the problem is in that cell, they humiliate me with the sex. Like, they insulted me.
They sexually assaulted you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry to